Next up, we're going to learn to play the shuffle. The shuffle is a fairly simple groove that we're going to play over on the drums. Before I do that, I just want to give you a tiny little bit of technical knowledge so that you can have the correct interpretation. If we think of triplets, we have groupings of 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I take away the middle note, there's still space for it, but it's gone. I now get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. And that there is the rhythm of the shuffle. So the shuffle rhythm is literally this. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Loads of nursery rhymes. I've got shuffles in them. If we think of Jack and Jill went up the hill, or the Jack and Jill part, I'm going to use all the time when I'm teaching the shuffle. Jack and Jill, and Jack and Jill, and Jack and Jill. The correct interpretation being 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Let's get on the drums and get you playing it. So we're going to take that Jack and Jill pattern, we're going to put it over here on the hi-hats. When we put the numbers to it, we've got 1, a 2, a 1, a 2, a 1, a 2. Or if we put it into 4/4, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Well, our bass drum is going to be on 1 and 3, and our snare drum is going to be on 2 and 4. So we simply get this pattern. If I were to stretch out those beats, so instead of being close together, as in like wide, close, close, wide, wide, close, close, it would turn into 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So physically, you're playing the same order that you did when you played 8th notes. It's just that we're opening them up to get the shuffle feel. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Now that opens up another terminology you need to know, which is swung patterns. So if I play 8th notes straight, that would be this. If I say no, play it swung, it means that. So essentially it's the same thing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but swung. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. We could take the shuffle and we could play it on the ride cymbal. So we've now got the right hand Jack and Jill, bass drum on the 1 and the 3, snare drum on the 2 and the 4. It's going to sound like this. As with the other triplet patterns, when we play a triplet bass groove like a shuffle, the fills tend to be triplets also. So we could play the shuffle, as in like the same pattern, ba 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 ba, and I might play maybe 2 rights on my floor tom, 2 rights on my snare, 2 lefts even on my snare, 2 more rights on my floor tom, and 2 lefts maybe on tom 1. But that's going to be the shuffle interpretation. So we're going to get this, which is right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. So just make sure you get that correct interpretation there. If I then play the shuffle once and the fill once, mess that one up, try again. Now another option for you for the fill would be, instead of playing 2 on each drum, you could play 3. So we could do as the equivalent of hickory like we did earlier. We could do 3 here, 3 on the snare, 3 down here again, and 3 up here. So I'm going to give you this. And hopefully you get used to the terminology now. We've got hand-hand triplets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take a few moments to master that, When you've got that down, then what you can do is you can take those 12 notes that we played, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and hit any order of the toms. So I'm going to play maybe 6 here, and then 6 across here, which would be this. And as you get more confident, you can hit anything you want. So that is our basic shuffle groove with some triplet fills.